In this video from Device Doctor, I will show you how to download and install the latest firmware on the Epson EcoTank L15180.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
Firmware updates improve printer performance, enhance stability, fix software bugs, and may add new features or compatibility improvements. Installing the correct firmware also helps keep your Epson L15180 running reliably and efficiently. Step 1. Download the firmware. First, you need to download the firmware for your Epson EcoTank L15180. The best and safest source is the official Epson support website. Open Google and search for Epson L15180 driver. Several official Epson support websites are available for different countries and regions. I recommend using the Epson Europe website because it has a simple interface, is easy to navigate, and usually provides the latest drivers, software, and firmware downloads for the Epson EcoTank L15180. Once the website opens, scroll down to the firmware section. Open it, then click the download button to download the latest firmware for your Epson EcoTank L15180. Before running the firmware updater, you need to put the Epson L15180 into program update mode. With the printer turned off, press and hold the buttons in this order: 47 job/status power. Keep holding them until the printer enters program update mode. Now check the printer screen. If the buttons were pressed correctly in the right order, the printer should enter program update mode and the screen should appear like ours. If the printer's USB cable is not connected to the computer, connect it now before starting the firmware update process. Now open the firmware updater program that you downloaded. You can find the download link in this video's description. The steps here are very simple. Just follow the instructions shown in the video, and you can complete the firmware update process easily and successfully. Transferring the new firmware to the printer takes about 2 to 4 minutes. To save your time, I have increased the video speed during this part. Once the firmware transfer is completed, click the Finish button and close the updater program. Now you can disconnect the USB cable from the computer because the firmware has been completely transferred to the printer. The printer update process may take around 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure the power supply remains stable, and do not turn off the printer during this time. Simply wait until the update process is completed automatically. After the update process is completed, you may still see the printer lights blinking one after another. This is normal. Simply press the 00 button to turn off the printer, then press the power button again to restart it. After turning on the printer, the update process will be fully completed. To make sure the printer is working properly, perform a nozzle check print and confirm the print quality. In this video, we successfully updated the firmware of the Epson EcoTank L15180 from start to finish. We learned how to download the correct firmware from the official Epson website, put the printer into program update mode, transfer the new firmware, and complete the update process safely. After the update was finished, we restarted the printer and performed a nozzle check to confirm that everything was working properly. I hope this complete guide helps you update your Epson L15180 easily and successfully.